Hello friends, welcome to part 7 of the React Redux series. In this series, we'll first look into the simple middleware known as Redux Logger. So for that, we need to install it. So let me open my integrated terminal with Control J. Okay, so I am inside the correct folder. So here I will do npm I Redux Logger. I will do, and it will install it. So let it get installed, and we have to work on this file only, your store file, to add that middleware. So anyway, it is done. So let me close it with Control J. Okay, and and one thing to notice is that I did it in the integrated terminal, but my main project was still running in my Windows PowerShell. It is still running here. Okay, so it doesn't matter, you can do it in a different terminal. So I did it in a different terminal. Okay, so this is a better way. You don't have to close this and then do it. You can do it right in a different terminal. Either you can open it here or you can do it here. So like this. So now I have to use a apply middleware also, like apply middleware from Redux I will get, and import logger from Redux logger I will get, comma, apply middleware and logger. Okay, so this I got, and me save it. Okay, and then let me increase this size a bit. Okay, and now what I will do, I will open my inspect element. Let me open my console. Plus, and now just I have to click on anything by hook and see everything has been done. So by the Redux logger, so the previous state of the egg and chicken, this is 100, and then the action was passed, then the next stage it was done. So the next thing which we are going to do, so in professional project and production projects, what is been done means, this Redux logger is awesome, but we generally do it through another tool known as Redux devtool. Like there is a React devtool, there is also Redux devtool, and it is available for both Chrome and Firefox. So for Firefox, it is as an extension we get it. So this is the Redux devtool. So this you have to install, which I have already installed. That's why I am getting this remove button. You just have to click and install it. Okay, then after that they have a very good this GitHub page in which all the installation procedure is been given. I have to install it. Okay, so that is there, and for that, again, let me make it small, go back again, we have to install some package first. Okay, so Control J I have to do clear. Let me do the clear, and then npm I. So nowadays we don't need the npm install -- save, so that has been a change in the npm. You can directly do the npm install Redux devtools extension, Redux devtools extension. Yeah, I typed it right. So let it get installed, and again we have to first make the changes in the store only. Okay, so yeah, it is done. Control J to close it, and here now we have to import something. For this the setup is required in your store. So for this to work, even we have installed it, but this is very much required, and this is such a great tool that everybody do this setup. Compose with dev devtools. So what we had got from the Redux logger, we'll get the same kind of thing but in a more graphical way, means UI will be there, so that is much better from Redux devtool extension. So it is coming compose with, let me see, the camel casing is correct, compose with devtools from Redux devtool extension, yes it is correct. And then our root reducer is there. So this apply middleware is okay, means our compose with devtool will contain this apply middleware. So here I'm going like this, and it will be contained inside it. Compose with devtool will contain the apply middleware logger. So this apply middleware is also very important, because in the future we might have the thunk also. So if we have some more also, so by logger we can do a comma and give that any other middleware. So as you know, middleware sits between the your this as we have this is there. So action creator, so where does middleware sits? Middleware sits here, action creator and reducer, and enhances the capabilities. Okay, so sometime in asynchronous thing we need the Redux thunk and logger, so it sits somewhere here. Okay, so let me come back and let me save it. Okay, now is it done? Yeah, it is done. Let me, now we are done with the code. Let me make our screen bigger actually. Okay, so where is the Redux devtool? So for Redux devtool I have to go here and see. So I have the React devtool also. So nowadays React devtool gives these two things. So I have to click this Redux. Okay, so this is the whole thing, and you can learn more about it also, means what is there. So the first thing is that, so it's come in a diff. So don't go here, come here, come to the state. So it will show the number of okay, I think it's a big small. Okay, can I make this bigger? No, this is not becoming bigger. I think we have to see it like this only. So num of x is there, and num of chicken. So what is the initial state? So I have clicked here. Okay, so this is the number of state, number of chicken, number of x, number of chicken. So now let us do one thing and see this closely. By egg, if I do a by egg, so what it did, it is showing me that by egg was been done, this action creator was been done, and see this has been, now what is the state, it is showing me that. So there are many other functionalities which you can check. So and like by chicken, if I do, so it is sending this action creator and showing me, means what is the current state. And what I can also do this, so it shows me, see again, it was 100, then I by egg is done, then by chicken is done. So if I have many things, means like I will do some after that by egg, by hook egg, by chicken egg, by egg, by egg, by egg. Now it will see this is the current state, but it will show me from the start. It was 100, then I did by egg, then I did by chicken, then I did by egg, then I by chicken, and the state is getting changed. So it is sort of replay, video replay. So it is doing everything. So actually this is a very good tool. You should learn more about it, this Redux devtool. So actually this completes our part 7 of the series. See you soon in part 8.